बिल्कुल, तो आप देख सकते हैं तस्वीरों में प्रधानमंत्री मोदी और आ चुके हैं इस बैंकिंग डिजिटल बैंकिंग यूनिट्स के उद्घाटन के लिए। इस वक्त आप देख पा रहे हैं कि आरबीआई के गवर्नर शक्तिकांता दास संबोधित कर रहे हैं।
Directors and CEOs of commercial banks, dignitaries and participants from across the country, ladies and gentlemen. It is my proud privilege to welcome the Honorable Prime Minister to this event this morning, when the DBUs are being dedicated to the service of the nation. And this is happening at a time when we are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. This is a joint initiative of the Government of India, the Bank, the Indian Banks Association, and the various participating commercial banks. In recent years, digital banking has emerged as a preferred channel for delivering banking services across the country. The Reserve Bank has been taking progressive measures to improve availability of digital infrastructure from banking services. Following the announcement made in the Union Budget 2022-23 by the Honorable Finance Minister for setting up of 75 digital banking units, that is DBUs, the Reserve Bank issued the required guidelines after consulting the Indian Banks Association and the various commercial banks, and also the various experts in the field. It is heartening to note the commercial banks, both in the public and private sector, have responded very positively to this initiative. 75 DBUs, that is digital banking units, have been set up in a record 6 months' time in 75 districts spread across the country to commemorate 25 years of our independence. Our focus is to harness the benefits of technology and innovation in the banking space. The establishment of DBUs is a step to further augment the digital infrastructure in the country. This will act as an enabler in the digital ecosystem and will improve customer experience by facilitating seamless banking transactions. The DBUs will also augment our effort to promote financial inclusion by providing banking services in a paperless, efficient, safe and secure environment. The specific financial services to be provided by the DBUs include, among various other things, savings, credit, investment, and insurance. On the credit delivery front, to start with, the DBUs will provide end-to-end digital processing, small ticket and MSME loans, starting from online applications to disbursal of the loan sanctioned amounts. DBUs will also provide services related to identified government schemes. The products and services in these units will be provided in two modes, namely self-service and assisted modes, with self-service mode being available 24/7/365 basis. The banks are also free to engage the services of digital business facilities and business correspondents to expand the footprint of the DBUs. What is very important to note in this context is that these physical units will act as a focal point for developing customer awareness and customer education about utilizing various digital facilities to do banking operations, to do banking activities including applying for loans and availing loans from the banks. In effect, this will result in greater credit penetration in our country. I take this opportunity to appreciate the commendable work done by the Indian Banks Associations, the banks which have established these DBUs, the Department of Financial Services in the Ministry of Finance, my colleagues in the Reserve Bank for their efforts in setting up these 75 DBUs in a very short span of time. I once again take this opportunity to welcome the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Finance Minister, and other dignitaries and all other participants to this important event. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.